Hey guys, today I will be unboxing my Aroma Multicooker. Now, let's open it up and see what it looks like, guys. Come on now. Don't be like that. There we go. Oops. Turn it over. First thing that comes out here is the manual. Let's turn it over to the English side there. This is safeguard tips, what the buttons do, troubleshooting. That's about it. Tells you all the parts. And delay timers, all that good stuff you need to know. Oh, and forget your spoon. Let's see. Oh, nothing else in the box. Let's take this bag off it. Release this plug here. Alright. Take this tip tie off here. There we go. Pretty decent size length plug here. Not too long, not too short. Alright. And then for those of you who have seen those steamers, electric steamers they've been coming out with, this looked just like one of them, but this one is for just it doesn't do as much, and this is a smaller size. This is, I believe, a 2 to 8 cup rice cooker, and it's a steamer, and also you can cook soups in it. I'll show you the front panel here. It's the front panel. On this side, white rice. This side, brown rice. And next to that is the steam. This is the keep warm and your delay timer. This is your power. This is for flash rice, and these are the up and down for either timer or your length of time you're using. So you can control that with these. And the side, it has a drip pan right here that catches all the drip, and you catch your little drip pan right here on the side. Now let's open the lid up. You open the lid. The first thing you see is a steam basket. It's not very large, as you can see. It is a small steam basket. Then your measuring cup for when you're doing your rice. It has to be measured correctly because this is set. This has a chip in it, and it's already set. So you ever do a certain amount of rice and water, use your cup to measure it. And here we have just a little book. It looks like it says a recipe that you can do in it. So this is, and I guess they give you a coupon. And this is an important notice that helps you prevent damage on your multi-cooker. Let's take the bowl out. As you can see, this is a little bowl here. Not very big. So if you're not using it for a large family, it'll be the perfect size. But if not, you need to get a larger one. And this is what insides looks like. A little pad right here. Make sure the pan's inside. And it's also the heating pad that heats up. Well, that's it, guys. It says on here about it talks about each part. You got a non-stick accessories that are all dishwasher safe. Stainless steel body. And I showed you earlier the steam basket. So you can use it while you're cooking rice. Okay. And then it has this, says this lid right here. Nice removable for easy cleaning. And it's what I said on here. It is 2 to 8 cups. Yes, it's 2 to 8 cups. It can make 2 to 8 cups cook rice. Okay. That's all this stuff. Is this automatic cooling, and you can set it for a program to what time you want to have your rice ready. Okay, and it has a seal that locks in all your the moisture and flavor of whatever you're doing. Okay. Let me remove this here. You guys can see this is removable for cleaning. So let me remove this here. There we go. It has a little rubber seal here, and you just take it off. Removable for easy cleaning. You can see, and this is the seal here that goes around the top. So that is okay. There we go. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it helps you. Bye bye.